Hi everyone, today we will learn date differences in ServiceNow using GlideDateTime API. So let's write the script in background script. GlideDateTime. So let me put some date here. We will compare this date with another date. Let's copy this. We'll make this 2, 3. So we will see the differences between this GDT1 and GDT2. We will print this now. Now let's click on run script. See 1 day difference between these two dates. Let's copy this. Now I am going to change the dates to same date. Let's change this variable as well. Let's make these two dates same. So let me comment this line of script first. Yeah. Now let's click on run script. See here, if the two dates are same, then it is 0. Now let's copy the same script. So now here let's change the month of this date. So now let's change this to April month. Let's run the script. See here total 183 days differences between these two dates. Okay. So this is how we can check the date differences in ServiceNow using Glide Date Time. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.